everyone!
The topic we are going to introduce today is
The Secret of the Hen, Palmistry and Fortune Telling.
We have chosen palmistry as the theme of our report because we are fascinated with the old mystery of palmistry in Eastern and Western cultures. At the same time, we want to know what modern palmistry is. Our purpose is to understand palmistry as a form of fortune telling and its modern interpretations.
We use the literature review, questionnaire analysis, and hands-on experiment to complete our research.
In the first part, we would like to introduce the origins of palmistry and its history. Its history would trace back thousands of years ago. It has gradually developed across different cultures, mainly China, ancient India, ancient Egypt, and ancient Greece. Today, we will focus on Chinese palmistry.
Palmistry originated in India and spread westward to Greece and other regions of Europe, eventually becoming Western palmistry. Ancient Chinese palmistry emphasized the theory of the yin and yang and the 5 elements, believing that the shape of a palm, the lines, and the characteristic of a finger could reveal a person's personality, health, and fortune.
Palmistry in Chinese history was not only used for personal fortune telling, but was also associated with philosophy, medicine, and psychology, reflecting a unique combination of mystery and practicality in Chinese culture.
Wang Dinei explains what Chinese palmistry is. We can infer the inner changes of human body by observing the veins, texture, claws, shape, complexion, and so on of the palm.
In the second part, we are going to introduce the palm reading and fortune telling. The main line on our hand are divided into 5 lines: major line, heart line, head line, lifeline, and fat line. Now let's analyze the relationship between palmistry and personality.
A marriage line represents a happy and contented marriage relationship. 2 lines indicate a love triangle or an affair in a relationship, while more than 2 lines suggest that it may be difficult to get married.
The heart line extends to the index finger and represents an abundance of feelings. If it extends to the middle finger, it indicates a greater focus on oneself than on others. Conversely, if it is located below the middle and ring fingers, it suggests a tendency to fall in love easily.
The length of headline represents concentration, while a short line signifies a desire to pursue a sense of achievement. A large fluctuation in the pattern indicates that enthusiasm for seeing is short-lived.
A long lifeline means you are passionate about life. A short lifeline means you are easily influenced by others.
The longer pattern of the fat line represents the person's high concentration and self-confidence in their career. If a line is short, it represents a desire for learning, autonomy, and independence. If a line is broken, it suggests that work conditions or dedication may be unstable.
In the final part of our project, we will discuss the palmistry in contemporary society and explain some of our experiments on palmistry. One of our most important questionnaire questions is to ask if teenagers have experience on palmistry. According to the survey, 35% have seen palmistry, while 65% have not. This shows that many people do believe in palmistry.
The second question we would like to talk about especially is, what do you hope to gain from it? 41% of teenagers want to learn about their career and financial fortune through palmistry. 22% of them are interested in love and relationships. The remaining 23% and 40% want to know about their health and personality. This shows that most people consider career and financial fortune very important.
This is our photo when we went to read palmistry. In order to know more about palmistry, we had an experiment with a palm reader. We would like to know more about our personality from palmistry and keep this knowledge in mind for our own references. And this is our Palmistry quiz form. After an experiment with a palm reader, we have designed our own Palmistry quiz book. If you are interested, you can scan the QR code to have fun.
This is our conclusion. After doing research on palmistry and experiments on our own, we do believe that palmistry should not be considered as superstition. First, palmistry can provide comfort and psychological support, helping to reduce anxiety and confusion. Second, it can promote interpersonal relationships and interactions. Finally, by reading palmistry, we may be motivated to put in more effort and gain confidence due to its psychological cues.
In the field of psychology, it is used to help people understand their emotional needs, psychological state, and potential emotional problems. It still has a wide range of application in movies and novels as a mysterious and unique cultural element. Palmistry is not only an analytical tool but also an aid in helping people find their way through confusion.
We chose this topic because of our interest in fortune telling. With the project, we have gained a better understanding of how palmistry is related to philosophy and medical knowledge. And here are our references.
Thank you for listening.